In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to transfer ownership of a Discord server. To transfer ownership, you must be the current owner of the server. Open Discord and go to the server where you want to do this. At the top left, click on the server name to open the menu, then click on Server Settings. On the left-hand side, scroll down and select Members. You will now see the list of members in the server. Decide who you want to give ownership to. When you are ready, go to the right side of the member's name, click on the three dots, and select Transfer Ownership. A message will appear stating that you are about to transfer the ownership of your server to this user. Tick the acknowledgement box to confirm you understand. Click on Transfer Ownership. Discord will then send you a verification code to your email. Enter the code and click Transfer Ownership again. Just like that, ownership has been transferred. You will see the crown icon and the server owner label appear next to the new owner's name. If you check your server settings now, you will notice you no longer have the owner options. That's it. You have successfully transferred ownership of a Discord server. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.